It looks like you're searching for some kind of answer, or you could be searching some kind of light, no? Maybe you are in a dark place right now. Doesn't have to be na ikaw ay literal na nasa isang dark or madilim na lugar, no? But this means that with the Hermit energy, you're trying to find a way, okay, using your small light, no? This lantern right in here. Okay? And you could be searching it for too long, no? Pwedeng meron ka ditong hinahanap, okay? Daan, but it looks like may hinahanap kang sagot. Okay? Let us see what's really happening right in here. Just take only what resonates, sweetheart. Okay, let us see more. Oh, we've got the star in the world. Okay. It looks like meron ka ditong malaking katanungan kay universe, no? Okay. But I do feel like na hindi mo talaga ito kay universe talaga pinakagustong itanong. Let me see. Okay. Pero maaring kay universe mo na lamang pinadaraan. Now you've got the 7 of coins. You could be waiting right here for some kind of answer na si universe na lamang yung pinasasagot mo. 4 of coins right in here. 5 of swords. Okay. Let me see more, okay? Before I spill kung ano yung ating yeah, look at that. See, we've got the 10 of swords right at the center of the reading. 5 of cups. 8 of swords. 10, another 10, no? You could be seeing a lot of number 10s, but doesn't have to be. Maybe this person here. Yeah, meron ka ditong gustong itanong sa isang person, but it looks like for some reason, you just cannot directly kayang itanong ito dun sa tao na yun. Kaya kay universe mo na lamang itinatanong ito, no? And with this world card energy, this is your big question right now, no? This is like a palaisipan here for you guys, no? Like a riddle, okay? So it looks like, no, for some reason, hindi mo kayang matanong ito ng diretso dun sa tao. Okay? Or hindi mo ito, matatanong 'no, dahil hindi posible na matanong mo ito ngayon, okay? Maybe because, you're not in communication to some of you 'no, dito sa tao na 'to 'no, kaya kay universe mo na lamang tinatanong. Yung iba naman, puwedeng meron pa kayong communication pero maaring less talk 'no, at hindi mo kayang direktahin or diretsahang matanong siya. Let me see. Yeah, okay, Ace of Cups, of course. Bottom of the deck, the 9 of Wands, the 2 of Coins. Okay. 6 of Cups. Okay, so nakikita natin dito you have this big question, my love, no? We've got the star in the world, okay? Kung ano man yung big question mo na yan kay universe na it looks like, okay? Dapat ito talaga yung tanong mo sa isang specific person, no? But you're waiting for some kind of answer from the universe, no? What is that big question ba, Miss Yan? 4 of Coins energy, 5 of Swords right in here, no? Ang isang malaking palaisipan rito sa inyo, no? I see you right here, no? Na gusto ninyong malaman kung mahal pa rin ba niya kayo or kung may pagmamahal pa rin ba siya sa inyo. So, you are thinking right here of a specific person. You are thinking right here of someone na talagang siya yung laman ng isip ninyo, no? But there's this big question in your head, sweetheart, no? You're stuck thinking about the answer, trying to look for an answer that you cannot directly ask that person, but instead of waiting for that person's response to you or tanungin siya directly about it, no, you're waiting for the universe answer to your question, no? And here's the answer. Ay, talaga, Miss Yan, meron dyan? Yes. Okay? Right at the middle of this reading is the strong energy of this person. 5 of Cups, 10 of Swords, 8 of Swords, no? Ano yun, Miss Yan? Mahal ka pa nito. Yan, no? Kung ang tanong mo rito at hindi mo alam ang sagot kung mahal ka pa ng taong ito or whatsoever, mahal ka pa nito. Kaya lang, alam mo kung ayaw ninyong marinig yung ba't may kaya lang eh, no? Okay, so bago natin ituloy, ipabitin yung reader. So, yeah, we're hearing that song. Alam kong mahal mo na rin ako. Yeah, if hindi ako nagkakamali, no, yun yung part ng lyric ng um, isayaw mo ako, mahal ko, sa gitna ng ulan. Yan, no, parang ganun, 'di ba? So, parang, isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng ulan, mahal ko. Yan, oh. So, hindi yun yung particular lyric, no? Kasi naalala ko lang yung song na yun, no? Kasi yun eh, di ba? Yun yung song na yun, no? But the particular lyric na nakuha natin eh, alam ko, mahal mo na rin ako. So, yeah, okay? This could be someone right here na nafe-feel mo na love ka na rin niya or love ka pa rin niya, no? But definitely, love ka niya. Okay? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, no, okay, that ulan, okay, has a symbol dito sa inyong connection, okay? Because I'm seeing, no, rainy season sa aking head, no? So, for a lot of you, this is what's going on right now since nagre-rain ngayon, no? And I do see, okay, na kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, mahal ka pa nito. Kaya lang merong nakikita tayo ritong Ten of Swords energy, 'no? Okay? So before we dive more sa inyong reading, let me just greet everybody. Hi, new subscribers. My name is Yan. Returning Istam buyers ko dyan. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi mo pa alam, meron pa tayong other channel, Sweetheart, no, kung saan nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs. So no matter what your zodiac sign is, you can watch there, no? But just pick up only the messages, no, na nag-resonate for you. Alright? And wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong pagpalit-palitin ng mga roles dahil general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat may free will. Like, malaya niyo yung gamitin if you want to claim the messages or not. It's up to you. Okay? So, timeless ito, but I do pick up right here real-time energies, no? Meaning to say, ito ay nangyayari ng halos sa karamihan sa inyo, no? Kasalukuyan itong nangyayari ngayon. Okay? But for others, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na, sa iba pwedeng mangyayari pa lang. No? But for a lot of you, it's happening right now. Okay? So, walang kaduda-duda, your question right in here, no, is gusto nyong malaman kung mahal pa rin kayo nitong tao na to. Yes, mahal pa rin niya kayo rito, no? Kaso meron ditong energy, no, na this person right here is probably experiencing a lot of things sa kanyang life, no? So, parang siya ito, no, na hindi niya magawa na ayusin yung sarili niyang life. Okay? That's why he or she cannot come to you. Okay? For now, that's what I'm seeing. This person, marami siyang problems. Okay? Lots of problems, lots of isipin, no? And I do pick up nahihirapan siyang makaalis or makawala sa mga yan. Okay? This person right here sa kanyang emotions, I do see that this person right here is very drained. Very drained right now, no? This person kasi is someone, no, na alam niya kailangan niya ng tulong, no? Pero hindi niya ito shini-share masyado sa iba or hindi talaga niya ito in-open up sa iba, no? Pwedeng sinasarili niya lang 'to. That's why, nagkakaroon ng pause yung kanyang pag-resolve sa mga problems, no? At 'pag may mga panibagong problems, no, natatambak lang. Okay? So, I do see that this person right here, no, is someone who's, alam mo yung energy niya, no, is someone na mas lamang yung sadness kaysa sa happiness. So, pwedeng ngumingiti lang siya or pwedeng madalang siyang ngumiti or ngumingiti lang siya kasi kailangan eh. No? Parang kailangan miss yan. Kunwari, pag may bumati sa kanya, ngumiti sa kanya, ngingiti lang siya pabalik. Ganun lang. But, if we're gonna ah, see 'no, kung talagang siya ba ay masaya ngayon. No, he's not. No, she's not 'no. This person, nasa loob ka ng kanyang isipan ngayon. Eight of Swords energy. This person is marami ritong problema 'no, marami siya ritong mga kailangang gawin sa kanyang sariling life. That's why hindi siya makapag-focus sa kanyang love life area. This person ay maaaring may problema sa kanyang family dahil may lumalabas din ditong family and parang meron siya ritong hindi masabi or hindi maamin sa kanyang family. This person is trying to hide it. I don't know what that is. Okay? This person is kinda secretive, especially hindi siya pala open. Kung may kapatid ito, okay, wala masyadong alam yung kapatid niya about sa nangyayari sa kanya. Okay? Or kung meron man niyang best friend, kahit yung best friend niya, no, clueless din about this mga pinagdadaanan niya. Okay? Kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person has lots na dinideal sa kanyang plate, no? And this person is trying to hide it under the rugs, no? Instead of sharing it, no, with those people na totoo sa kanya or sumusuporta sa kanya or pwede naman siyang matulungan, no? Pero hindi siya humihingi ng tulong. Okay? I don't know. But this person right here is someone 'no, na ayaw niya kasi na, bitbitin ng iba yung burden niya rito, okay. Kasi parang feeling niya just by sharing a story of his or her problem 'no, can drain someone's energy, which is yes, that's true 'no. Pero yun nga, parang may energy siya rito, ayaw niya maging pabigat sa iba 'no. This person right here wants to love you at alam niya rin na mahal mo rin siya. But then again, this person right here is trying to fight his or her own feelings because he or she cannot deal in his or her own life's problem, no? That's why this person is avoidant, no? This person is avoiding his or her own feelings for you, no? That's why it's overflowing na. Yan, no? This person without doubt loves you. Yes. Mahal ka nito. Mahal ka pa rin nito. Kaya lang, may mga ganito siyang nangyayari sa kanyang life, no? At itong person na to, no, medyo this person is someone who's weak inside. So, kung kilala mo siya bilang strong, no, he's not. No, she's not. No, wala tayong gender dito. But, whoever this energy is, this person is trying to find solution sa kanyang problem. However, okay, this person right here, no, is someone who's doing it nang mag-isa lang siya. Alam mo mga babe, sometimes, okay, kaya nga nandiyan yung mga friends natin, yung families natin, no, because they have this role, no, given by the universe, no. Okay, nandiyan sila, no, to give aid, to support us, to love us, to help us, no. But this person is someone who sees, no, na hindi problema ko 'to that ako lang umayos nito, no. Yeah, that's true. But, eh, nandiya-diyan yung kaya nga 'di ba sa groupings mga babes 'di ba 'pag nag-brainstorming na kayo ng mga kagrupo mo nakakaisip kayo ng maganda, 'di ba? Kaya nga two heads are better than one, isn't it, no? But this guy, this woman right here 'no, who happens to be your, ah, love 'no, or yung taong mahal mo, okay, ganito siya. Yun yung paniniwala niya rito, "I do not want to be a burden to you." That's why parang alam mo yung energy ng mahal kita, pero ayun na lamang sa ngayon. Parang gano'n 'no? Parang alam mo yung energy 'no, na parang others of you could be thinking, "Ang duwag naman niya, my person is such a coward 'no, and, bakit hindi niya kayang panindigan yung sarili niyang own feelings and emotions, ba't hindi siya lumapit sa'kin, I want to help him or her 'no." Yeah, but this is your person, okay. So, I do see that your person right here, no, is really in a situation wherein medyo nahihirapan siya. There's heaviness sa kanyang mga dinideal na mga problems sa kanyang life, no? With the Nine of Wands energy, Sariling effort, sariling problema, sariling kilos, sariling galaw. Yun yung nakikita ko sa kanya rito. This person is trying to find balance right in here, no? But at the same time, this person right here is someone who loves you as well. Okay? But he or she cannot come to you ngayon at to be honest, mukhang may energy ritong matatagalan siya sa pagbalik sa inyo. Pero kung ang tanong ninyo ay kung mahal pa rin niya kayo, mahal niya pa rin kayo hanggang ngayon. Okay? That's true. That's true. That's what I'm saying right here. Okay? Pero pinipili niyang makontento na lang muna ngayon, no? Sa kanyang isipan na nandoon kayo. Okay? Or pinipili niya na lang makontento ngayon kung sa panaginip niya ay nakikita niya kayo. Okay? Because this also states the dreams, this also states the thoughts and minds, no? The subconscious, no? And kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person's definitely still in love with you at alam niya rin, no, na mahal niya rin kayo pero ayaw niya kayong i-drag dito sa kanyang magulong situation. Magulo pa yung isipan niya ngayon, no? That's what I'm seeing. A lot of clouds right in here, very cloudy, no? And kung sa pagdating sa mga clouds, no, napag-aralan namin dati no elementary, no, this is the nimbus clouds, no, yung paulan na. Those kind of clouds, no, that maitim clouds, no, okay? Definitely this person right here, okay? Darating rin, darating rin yung time na kaya niya na akong ilaban. Yeah, and we've got it right at the center of the reading. Look at that. Ten of Swords energy. But the light of the sun, look at the rays, 'di ba? Yung mga sinag, very evident, nakikita mo, no? Darating 'yan, no? But it will come very slow, sweetheart, no? Okay? So, nakikita ko ngayon that your person is really in a very difficult situation that he or she cannot handle in his or her own, 'di ba? Pero nakikita natin dito, no, na this person right here is somewhat different, no? Iba siya mag-isip, okay? Parang kailangan ako mismo ang sumolusyon sa mga issues ko sa life. Kailangan ako mismo yung gumawa ng solusyon sa mga problema ko, no? This person is definitely not coming towards you because ayaw niya kayong i-drag dito sa kanyang magulong situation right now. Yeah. Okay. So for the initials right in here, we have here, of course, no, letters R. Letter S. We also have here U, P. Andito rin ang B as in boy. We also have here the letter A, P. Another P right in here, no, maaring double P ito, no, sa kanyang name or maybe your name right in here, no. I'm also seeing right here the letter I. We also have here the letter A. And last but not the least, we have here the letter K. So yeah, these are all the messages we got right here. Yeah. Okay, bago magtapos, no, nakakita pa tayo ng another letter. May pahabol pa rito, no? Letter N daw. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. Again, I'm Yuriana on Nisana Ngay, All Love and Light. And yeah.